each musical community has infinity of features which makes it unique. If we speak about klezmer ethnomusically, we will discuss a lot of features which make klezmer unique and which make klezmer community unique, the style of festivals, the style of education, but we will also notice some similarities with other things, with other ethnic. I mean, some ethnic festivals, as far as I know, are more or less revivalist. The contemporary klezmer movement mostly is very anti-revivalist, anti-nostalgia. It's more about re-actualization. There is nothing to revive, nothing is dead here. It's all it's still like topical, it's still the agenda. So it's very good mood. I really like this mood.